Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here to talk about an iconic figure in American television and film, Louis Gossett, Jr. Born on August 21, 1925, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Gossett went on to become one of the most beloved actors of his generation. Gossett's career began in the early 1940s with radio plays and soon made his way to television. By the 1950s, he had become a household name, known for his comedic timing and charming personality. One of his most memorable roles, however, is perhaps as Captain Jefferson D. McCall in the 1960s television series, The Wild Ones. Throughout his career, Gossett worked with some of the most renowned directors and actors of the era, including Richard Brooks, Robert Wise, and Henry King. He won numerous awards, including 3 Primetime Emmy Awards and 2 Golden Globe nominations. Tragically, Gossett's career was cut short in 1969 when he died of a heart attack at the age of 32. Despite his untimely passing, he continues to be remembered for his charismatic presence on screen and his lasting impact on television history. In conclusion, Louis Gossett, Jr. was a trailblazer in the entertainment industry, leaving an indelible mark on American television and film. His charming personality, versatile acting skills, and unforgettable roles will forever be cherished by fans around the world. Rest in peace, Louis Gossett, Jr.